Vigorón. A side dish from Costa Rica. Serves 8. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. For chicharrones, you can purchase the chicharrones on a local market. It is pork rind cooked on low heat in a pot without oil. The pork meat will release its oil little by little. It is generally cooked for 3
Step
hours
2.
until the chicharrones
Take the
are brown,
chicharrones and
crunchy,
cut them in small
or toasted.
pieces.
Step 3. For the others, peel the cassava and cut it on pieces of 1.97 inches long. Place the cassava on a pot, fill the pot with water until the water reaches 0.79 inches above the cassava level.
Step 4.
Boil the
Chop the
cassava with the
cilantro
water
and
until
the
the
onions
cassava
into
is
thin
soft.
pieces.
Add salt,
Or
oregano,
blend them on
a
a
whole head
blender.
of garlic when the cassava starts getting soft. Once the cassava is soft, drain the water and let the cassava cool down. Step 5. Squeeze the 15 limes and store their juice on a glass container. Step 6. Mix the tomatoes, onions, cilantro in a glass container. Pour the lime juice with 1 teaspoon of sugar on the mix. Add salt, pepper, and cumin to taste. Step 7. Chop the cabbage. Step 8. Serve 3 pieces of cassava, 2 pieces of chicharrón, and 4 tablespoons of tomatoes over 3 tablespoons of cabbage on an almond tree leaf or a plastic dish. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.